Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I decided to do like a grungy cut crease look for you guys. I haven't really been on for a few weeks and it's been kind of a rough time for me. Just like all around been crazy, and I don't really want to get too in detail with it, but I do want to let you guys know that I am doing okay, and I will be posting more videos very soon, and I want to try to be as consistent as I can despite everything going on. So yeah, I put this look together for you guys. If you want to know how to do this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I really appreciate you guys subbing and liking and watching and sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I know it's always hard starting out your channel. I know I've been inconsistent over the years, but I'm hoping things will be a little bit better from here on out. So without further ado, here is my video for this look. I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm wearing this hat. It was my uncle's, and I actually back in 2007 I took his hat, and he's always been my biggest inspiration, and unfortunately in April he passed away, and so I wanted to wear this hat for this video. When at the time I did take this hat, I was in a very big Nirvana phase. I still love Nirvana. I was just a massively, like, everything I wore, drawings, everything and anything was like Nirvana. It had to be Nirvana. So I was like in a big grunge phase. That's why I did this look for you guys, but this is kind of modern with a twist. So yeah, that's pretty much my most recent events that have happened. So I wanted to wear this hat kind of just to kind of, I don't know, like feel like maybe he's here with me. Like I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm feeling it when I'm wearing his hat. I feel his, like, his presence, you know, like. So I wanted to wear this hat because I'm thinking about him. So that's why I'm wearing this hat. And I love this hat. I've had this hat for 11 years, you guys. It's crazy. But yeah, he never got it back, but I'm just glad that I have something that was his that I can hold on to. So yeah. Alright, to start out this look, I'm going to use my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go into my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use the shade Rustic. Alright, next with the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade called Sienna. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to do a cut crease. Go into my Prism palette, also by Anastasia, and I'm going to use that flat brush to apply the shade called Lucid. Alright, next I'm going to use the shade called Dimension, and I'm going to use my Morphe M506 brush again to apply that. Alright, next with the same brush I'm going to go into the shade called Mulberry in the Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to take this color on the outer corner of my eye and blend that into Dimension. Alright, and the next shade I'm going to use is in the Prism palette, and this one is called Obsidian, and it's a black shade. I'm going to use this on the outer corner of my eyes. Alright, next I'm going to take my Tarteist liquid eyeliner and I'm going to create a cat eyeliner, and then I'm going to kind of smudge it a little bit against the lash line to kind of soften the edges. Alright, so using that same brush, I'm going to take the shade Sienna and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with that. Alright, then I'm gonna go back in with my Tardis pencil and use the other side, the liquid one, so this one's the pencil side. And I'm going to go on the outer corner of my eye and just kind of lightly dab it in there. And then I'm gonna go in and smudge that out. I'm going to apply mascara. This one is by L'Oreal. I'm gonna put this on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Human Nature.